Hey guys, this is Muchibe Maxon again, and in this video today, I'm gonna be showing you how to pass through a USB device, no matter what it is. Can be a USB flash, a USB wireless card, a USB sound card, a USB Bluetooth card, which I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna be using a USB Bluetooth dongle to show you how you can pass through a USB from your host to your guest operating system that's in the VMware. I'm gonna be using VMware Workstation 2012. There might be some differences according to the version of VMware you have, and this works on most of virtualization softwares. This is also available in VirtualBox. It's also available in VMware, the other like VMware Fusion and all those other versions, but there might be some kind of different procedures you go through, but it's still kind of the same concept. So if you want me to show you how to pass through a USB device from another software, you can leave a comment down below and I'll make a video of me doing it, okay, if possible. So right now I'm gonna be using my server. I know you can hear it right now because it's a very loud server. It has about 6 fans, 6 powerful fans, so they're making a lot of noise. So I already connected it. I'm using Microsoft Remote Desktop to do this. I remotely connected to it already, and I have my VMware Workstation 2012 minimized here. And I already have my virtual machine running. If you want me to show you how to make a virtual machine, have Windows 10 running, 64-bit. If you want me to show you how to make this happen, you can leave a comment down below. If you want to know how to set up a virtual machine and make it work correctly, you can leave a comment down below. So I have my virtual machine right here. So I'm accessing the server remotely and accessing the virtual machine remotely as well, because I'm accessing the server remotely. I might be blabbering too much, but I'm just trying to make an effort here so that you can understand what I'm doing exactly. So to pass through a USB device, your virtual machine must be running. Then you come here to VM, removable devices, and select where the USB device you want to pass through. Right now I want to pass through the Cambridge Silicon Radio Bluetooth adapter. It's a USB Bluetooth adapter I plugged in, and it can be anything at all. You just have to know the name, but I think you can figure by looking. I can even pass through this heavily packed HP basic USB keyboard. I have a USB keyboard plugged in. I can also pass it through. But sometimes when you have the drivers installed for that device you want to pass through, the pass-through can fail to work, or VMware might not see a USB device. That might be the reason. So the first time I connected my USB Bluetooth dongle, I installed I installed this software. Is it called IVY? I don't even remember the correct name. If I open it here and show you the name. And when I installed its drivers, my USB started working correctly in my server. When I tried to pass it through here, it couldn't come in the list. But when I uninstalled my drivers, it came up on the list because my server couldn't understand it anymore. So sometimes you might have to uninstall the drivers of your device for the device to work correctly. It's called Blue Solil. That's a difficult name to read. Blue Solil, I think. So right now I'm gonna pass in my USB, and when I pass it in, it should work perfectly and right away because I already have its drivers installed on my virtual machine. So I installed it on my host so that it can't understand and block the usage of this Bluetooth adapter. So I'm gonna connect here, and as you can see, my virtual machine has seen it. Bluetooth hardware is found. I'm gonna click OK on this. It's found. That's okay. I'm gonna open Blue Solil. That's what I'm gonna say, Solil, because it's kind of bizarre reading this thing. So I'm gonna connect have a Bluetooth speaker. I'm gonna connect it and show you that it works perfectly and flawlessly, and this can work for a wireless card or anything. So I'm gonna search devices, and as you can see, my Bluetooth speaker has been discovered that fast. I'm just gonna search services and just give it a minute, and it has found 2 services. So I'm just gonna click listen to music so that it can work as my speaker. And for your information, my server has no sound. As you can hear, it's connected, and my server has no sound card. So the sound that you're gonna hear is not coming from my server or anything like that. It's coming from my virtual machine's USB Bluetooth that I passed through. I'm just gonna play this song. Remember, this is a VMware running on a server that has only 16 megabytes of video RAM. So I guess you get my point. So, and if you come to your PCI devices, since I have the drivers installed, I don't want this open. Okay, if you come to manage, okay, I'm gonna go to devices, and as you can see, this is my Bluetooth USB. But if you pass in through a device, it might not recognize it automatically. You might just have to install the drivers for it, because when I passed it through without installing the IV Blue Soleil, it didn't work correctly. So it didn't work at all, by the way. I had to first install the drivers. So when you pass through a USB device, sometimes you might have to install the drivers, sometimes you might not need to install them. So I think my video is gonna end here, guys. So if I just missed anything out, you can leave a comment down below. If you want me to show you how to make this virtual machine and pass through the device, how to install this VMware, how to use it, you can leave a comment down below. I'll be doing anything that you want me to do, as long as it's about tech or anything like that. You can leave a comment down below. I make videos about fixing stuff, softwares, but mostly softwares, and fixing Windows errors and all kinds of problems and solutions. So if you have any kind of question, as long as it's tech related, you can leave it down below and I will make a video about it. Or if it's a problem, I can make a video about it, solving it. And I'm gonna thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm just gonna be here playing my song.